Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Colorado Department of Revenue, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process for the Colorado Department of Revenue website, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in colorado.gov/revenue and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the next page. You will be directed to a login screen where you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure that both your username and password are entered accurately. If needed, you can click on the Show Password option to verify your entry. Once everything is filled out, look for the Login button at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Should you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password. You may need to provide your email address associated with the account for the reset process. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Input your username along with your newly created password. Click on the Login button once more. If successful, you will now be logged into the Colorado Department of Revenue system. From here, you can access various services and information related to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.